In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about Encap-HydrOx, when to use it, and how it will benefit you in your carpet cleaning business. Stay tuned. Encap-HydrOx has become the second most popular product in the Releasit line. Why is it so popular? Well, to start with, it packs a powerful hydrogen peroxide punch. It's loaded with hydrogen peroxide. To accomplish that, we had to use a different polymer, an encapsulation polymer that would be stable in that level of hydrogen peroxide. So we're not using the standard polymer that we use in all of the other Releasit products. We're using a hydrogen peroxide stable polymer. In addition to the hydrogen peroxide, it's also extremely acidic. In its concentrated form, it's down around 3.5 in concentrate, so it's very much on the acid side of the equation. Now, when you take that level of acidity and combine it with hydrogen peroxide, you can quickly see what that would do to organic type soils, browning, wine, you name it. It does a phenomenal job. It also naturally brightens the carpet. Now, one thing that's a little bit different about Encap-HydrOx compared to our other standard traditional type chemistry is that we're using hydrogen peroxide. That's the muscle. That's what's going to punch through the soil. So it requires a little bit of additional dwell time to get the job done. But if you'll give it just a little bit more dwell time, you're going to see that it really performs amazingly. Now, what's unique about this product too is the range of applications that it can be used in. It can be used as a straight end cap detergent, for example in a Cymex machine or in an orbital or rotary machine, bonnet cleaning application. It works great. It's also very popular for straight end cap with CRB machines, counter-rotating brush machines. So there's a wide range of applications that Encap-HydrOx falls into. For straight end cap, you would use it at about 8 to 10 ounces per gallon. And you say, well, that's a little strong. The reason why is because it will actually clean at a lower dilution, but to get the full benefit of the hydrogen peroxide, we want to add a little bit more concentrate so that we bring the firepower to the table. You can actually clean real well at 8 ounces. You can even go a little under 8 ounces, but to get the full effect of the hydrogen peroxide, we recommend boosting it up to around 8 ounces, as high as 10 ounces if you've got something that's really demanding in the soil range. It can also be used as a traffic lane pre-spray at 12 ounces per gallon. Give it like 5 to 10 minutes of dwell time. Works really well for traffic lane cleaning. It can also be used in a hot water extraction application. For example, in a portable, you'd mix it at like 1 to 2 ounces per gallon as a rinse aid, and at 1 quart per 5 gallons of stock solution for a truck mount, and then meter it out like normal. So we've got a lot of things that we can do with it. Additionally, it works as a protein spotter. So if you're trying to remove protein-based stains, you can mix it 1 to 3 as a protein spotter and it will just knock it out. One thing to be mindful of, the polymer in this is not as clear as our traditional Encap polymer that we have in the Releasit line. It's more white, has more of an opaque color. So if you leave a lot of it behind, you might see a little bit of whiteness on a dark colored carpet. So you may need to remove it. If you're going to use it like as a spotter at 1 to 3, you might start to see a little bit of that whitening on a dark colored carpet. Also for browning, for a browning treatment, you can use it at 20 ounces per gallon. When I'm talking about browning, I'm talking about something that's really browned out, maybe from water damage, or even sometimes wicking situations. You can go as high as 20 ounces per gallon for browning. Works great on ice melt. The grungy, dingy area that walks in from ice melt in the entryways, for example, knocks it right out of the carpet. And again, it really brightens the carpet. You're going to see an amazing color pop when you work with Encap-HydrOx, and there's no optical brighteners. You'll see light colors, for example, like light blues, and it just brings them back vibrantly. That's why a lot of people have switched to Encap-HydrOx and they use it as their primary cleaner in their carpet cleaning business because it covers such a wide range of applications and it delivers impressive encapsulation results. So that's what's unique about this product. We're using that special polymer that will enable it to truly encapsulate, dry down brittle, and come out during the post-vacuuming process, combined with very powerful hydrogen peroxide and acidity that will really accomplish some very special results when you're dealing with applications that require that type of treatment. It's just one more way that we're here to help you at Excellent Supply to max your end cap. Thank you very much for watching this episode, and would also like to ask that if you could please hit the like, comment, or subscribe below. That helps us with YouTube. So we appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If there's anything we can do to help you, let us know. Have a great day.